Hello everyone, it's day 550 to get to Polytechnique. Today it's Tuesday. This morning I had 4 hours and a half of math. Always a great work session, and yes, it's really long. But anyway, during the noon, I ate un grec, c'était carré, avec des potes de la classe. Then I had two hours of physics, and then I worked 2 hours on my computer science lesson. So I took Marcel and Bertolo SQL lesson. So I did almost the whole lesson, and I tried to do the exercises that was given by the teacher. And the plan was to do this, to understand the concept, to understand the requirements for the concours. And I still have to practice, of course, but I will see when I will train on past papers. But the aim was to understand the lesson first of all, and then I had the time to do some exercises, so I did it. Then I ate. I went to Jean Monnet to work, and I don't know. I said that during the noon I ate un grec avec des potes, and I don't know what happened, but mon ventre faisait des bruits de malade. I don't know. Maybe it was the meat or something. I don't know. It was quite fun. I was like on the table, like alone, and la zone où j'étais, elle faisait des bref, j'arrête de faire le golemon, mais voilà, c'était assez marrant. Enfin marrant, bref. And then I had a friend that come next to me because he was there for since 5 in the afternoon, but then he saw me, so he came, and we worked together for like 1 hour. Then we went to our respective homes, and so it was under the rain. Ouais, je suis rentré quoi, j'étais trop mouillé, bref. The plan for tonight, I was thinking about sleeping at midnight and something, but I think it's going to be really hard because I don't know, I feel a bit tired, and even if I we always have a lot of work to do, to complete a lot of homework, or I don't know, revisions. But I think it isn't a great idea to sleep late tonight, because I did it on Sunday, and it was terrible because I lost like 1 hour and a half. So maybe I will just like have a look on my math lesson, or like just check my physics lesson for tomorrow, and then I will skip the work and go to sleep. So yep, it was Tom. Ah oui, hier je me suis dit que là j'allais faire peut-être un décompte jusqu'au concours, je sais pas. Peut-être que je vais commencer ça demain, je sais pas. En fait, je me suis tellement habitué à dire to get into Polytechnique. En fait, j'ai déjà changé. Avant, je faisais combien de jours avant le prochain septembre. Après, j'ai fait donc le nombre de vidéos que j'ai faites. Et maintenant, bon, bref, je verrai ça plus tard. It was Tom, day 550 to get into Polytechnique. Take care. Good luck à toutes les personnes qui sont préparées. Voilà, les concours arrivent vite. Les révisions aussi. Les révisions, ça met toujours en confiance. Les 5 demi m'ont dit il faut rien lâcher jusqu'aux oraux, il faut tout donner. Et je vous partage leur message. Je vous partage leur message, bref. Ouais, ça m'a donné un petit coup de boost, même si, bon, on sait. Enfin, je le savais déjà, que bah, faut tout donner jusqu'au euro, mais que les 5 2010, bah, ça fait plaisir. Bref. Et en plus, c'est une 5 demi qui n'est pas dans mon pied étoile. Voilà, dédicace à toi. Si tu vois la vidéo, tu reconnaîtras. Cousine, bref. Tostom Day 550 to get it to Polytechnique. Take care. Ciao.